Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to recover accidentally closed Word file on your Windows PC like Windows 8, Windows 10 or in your Windows 11. So as you can see guys, I have one Word file. Now I am closing this file without saving. So as you can see guys, I have closed this file. Now I will recover this file. To recover this guys, just you need to open the file explorer on your PC like this, and in the file explorer in the search box you need to search .asd like this. You need to search and hit enter. Okay, it will start the process of searching. As you can see, it will take some time to complete this process, so wait for few minutes guys, don't disturb this process. Okay, so as you can see guys, the searching process is now completed. When the process is complete, so you can get your or accidentally closed Word file. As you can see guys, if you want to open it from here, you can easily double click and open that file. Just I am going to open this file. So as you can see guys, the file was not open. So now if you want to save, you can easily save this file. So this is the very easy and very simple method to recover the accidentally closed Word file on your Windows PC. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.